Welcome to Boral News. 5 COVID-19 positive detected at border check gates of Dima Hasao. COVID-19 case in Dima Hasao rises to 158 with 5 new cases today on July 22. Out of this, 139 patients have been discharged after they tested negative. Now 19 persons are active case, which includes 1 person at a hospital in Guwahati. Among the 5 persons detected to be COVID-19 positive at check gates today are: 1 was detected at the Manderdisa border check gate. The person is from Haflong who has a travel history from Delhi. The other 4 are family members with minor kids of age 6 years and 4 years returning from Lanka, Hojai resident of Umrangso. They were found positive during RAT test at Diungbra border check gate. On the brighter side, 3 persons were discharged from the isolation ward at Haflong Civil Hospital. It may be noted that the NC Hills Autonomous Council with District Disaster Management Authority have made mandatory swab test protocol as a preventive measure for probable spread of virus from outside the district. As such, since July 20, the health workers and police personnel have been doing duty in border check gates to protect the people of Dima Hasao. These corona warriors have been taking mandatory swab tests at the border check gates of Ditokchora, Diungbra and Manderdisa for all those entering Dima Hasao. They have since July 20 been doing duty amidst rainfall and even without having proper time to take meal. They have already detected positive cases in the check gates.
और हम लोग स्टाफ फ्रॉम महूर ब्लॉक BPHC इंक्लूडिंग हरंगाजाव PHC हम लोग कल सुबह 6 AM से ये चेक गेट ड्यूटी स्टार्ट हुआ है बिकॉज 2 दिन जो लॉकडाउन खुला है एंड कल से तो ये इंटर डिस्ट्रिक्ट बंद होगा. सो जितना पैसेंजर बाहर से आएगा बॉर्डर से, सो वी आर ट्राइंग टू catch every one of them so that nobody comes inside Dima Hasao without testing and without home quarantine. So हम लोग का main motive है कि we will quarantine everyone who comes from outside Dima Hasao और वो जो हाफलंग में Dima Hasao डिस्ट्रिक्ट में बैठेगा. So हम लोग उनको सब आदमी को मिस नहीं करने के लिए from 6 AM with the officers, police officers and the duty, we have started the duty whole day without any break for lunch or breakfast or anything. एकदम break नहीं होई के till 10 past midnight. 10 past last night we have done. Then after that the paper works, the computer works. There are a lot of formalities with computer and paper works. वो सब PHC में करके it ended at 3:45 AM today morning. Then we could send the sample to the Haflong Civil Hospital at 5 AM in the morning only. So it is a very very challenging and क्या बोलेगा very satisfying job because we are fortunate enough to get this opportunity to fight as a warrior in this pandemic. I owe the success of the screening and the testing to all my team members, my lab technician and other supportive staff, my BPM, my CHO, everyone. Because of them उन लोग है बोल के अच्छा से सपोर्ट दिया बोल के ये काम पॉसिबल है. या कल में हम लोग पैसेंजर चेक किया है 384 या पॉजिटिव 1 मिला है. कल को 389 सॉरी इट इज़ 389 और टेस्ट करा 142. आउट ऑफ दैट 1 पॉजिटिव आया है. ही इज़ ऑलरेडी टेकन टू आइसोलेशन वार्ड इन हाफलोंग सिविल हॉस्पिटल. टुडे टिल नाउ इट इज़ 225 पैसेंजर को स्क्रीन किया है और सैंपल उठाया 64. टिल टुडे वो एक भी पॉजिटिव नहीं मिला आज का ड्यूटी में. हाँ,
बेसिकली प्रॉब्लम आप क्या फेस कर रहे हैं?
हम लोग यहाँ का प्रॉब्लम है मेनली विद द नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है. बिकॉज हम लोग जितना सैंपल भी वो करता है वी हैव टू टेक आउट द SRF इन द मोबाइल ऑफ द पर्सन एंड देन द OTP हैज़ टू कम आउट. एंड समटाइम एप्स में भी थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है इन द RT-PCR एप्स बिकॉज ऑफ द नेटवर्क. अदरवाइज वी डोंट फेस एनी प्रॉब्लम. एंड yeah, and then the other thing is communication. The road is very bad. Vehicle also got stuck up, but then we could reach here. And the other part is हम लोग का problem बोलेगा ना क्या बोलेगा, it is human nature. It is difficult maintaining the social distancing thing, ना controlling the mob because everyone is in a hurry. That time कोई भी बात नहीं सुनता है, but फिर भी with the help of the police they could be control up to in a great level. So that way everything is fine. We are getting a good support from our respected EMs of this Harangajau block. We do not face any problem in lodging and fooding and any other thing. That way everything is fine here. It's only raining now. So that way also we are not complaining. We are doing our best.
बारिश में भी आप लोग मतलब ऐसे ही काम कर रहे हैं?
हाँ हाँ हाँ. We cannot stop because of the hunger or rain or anything. This has to go on until we finish because we cannot miss anybody because they try to take chance and run off.
We are duty.
Yeah.
We are doing duty also without food.
Yes.
Since morning, na?
सुबह से खाना नहीं खा के भी आप लोग काम कर रहे हैं?
हाँ हाँ. But right now we are going on rotation. IB में lunch खाने के लिए rotation में बेच रहा है. But yesterday it was क्या बोलेगा? Time भी नहीं मिला. Nobody got time to break also yesterday. But today it is lesser than yesterday, so हम लोग का time है lunch सब के लिए. Yeah, thank you.
Bureau Report.